We're gonna do one right here for Sticks. Since it's raining, he wants to hear this, and hopefully this song won't come to being. This is a song about moonshine. Do you want to say something?
Sticks, it's good seeing you out and about.
It is. Thank you for coming out today, buddy. It's so good to see you again. And we've been praying for you for the past year. And, this one called The Thunder and Lightning.
Well, I got a 44 out back and buddy that horse and bull. She can get uphill like the mountain cat, 22 cases full. I can outrun any old G-Man, might as well be pushing a plow. Boys, it's about to be raining, you're gonna be thunder and you're lightning down. But that ain't the first I found. Run a wood axe through my copper steel and pull through Blue Teeth Mountain. Could have been revenuers, I guess. Could have been holding true. Say both got a reason to want me dead, but they're gonna have to catch me first. I can outrun any old G-Man, might as well be pushing a plow. Boys, it's about to be raining. Here come me thunder and your lightning down. Here come me thunder and your lightning down. I seen a old man scalping loads every turn on Highway 9, and tankers tripping up Thunder Road. We're getting tickets like Monday pie. Apple brandy or sour mash, it don't make a damn